Today we're making keto style orecchiette concina di rapa. Let's go! Hi and welcome to Cook with Mel. Today I thought I'd show you a fancy pasta sauce, and it's fancy because it's created by a famous chef and his name is Gino Campo. This guy. Now if you don't know him, he's an Italian and a friend of Gordon Ramsay, and we all know who that is. While the sauce is so simple to make and it uses just a few ingredients, it is just delicious and really flavorful. As always, nutritional information and your shopping list is in the description box. Let's get into the recipe now. I just made an orecchiette shape using the flourless egg white keto pasta recipe, and if you want to use that, please click on the link to the top right of your screen. Next we are going to blanch 2 broccolini, so bring some water to a boil, add the broccolini and turn them over occasionally. Then after 2 minutes, remove, then strain them. Your broccolini will be al dente but still maintain a beautiful color and its nutrients. Set the broccolini aside for now, and next we will prepare the meat. I'm going to be using 2 Italian pork sausages, so first I removed the casings and broke up the meat. Italian sausage has lovely herbs and spices already in the sausage as compared to using plain ground meat, so it's going to reduce effort in making a meal full of flavor. Over a medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive or avocado oil, and when it's warmed through, add the sausage meat. Give it a stir and break up the meat further. Cook that for 2 minutes, then add a half a cup of low-carb white wine, or you can use a broth if you want to keep it clean keto. Then reduce it completely by letting it cook uncovered, and this took just a few minutes. You will be left with just the flavor of the wine and not the alcohol. I'm using a cast iron skillet, and you can see that I have flavor stuck to the bottom of the pan. I added 1 cup of water and loosened it so that flavor gets back into my meal. Next, I added 1 teaspoon of finely chopped fresh rosemary, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and stir that into the meat. Lastly, add the dried orecchiette pasta, toss it in continuously for 1 minute, and then it's ready. And look how soft the pasta turns out. I then gave it a taste and added a sprinkle of salt. Let's get the broccolini back in, and then you have Gino Campo's orecchiette concina di rapa keto style. Well, here's another simple but delicious meal that you can whip up really quickly, and it's so easy, and I hope you can tell how beautifully the pasta performs. I hope you get to try it. Do let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.